Unit 27, Part A, Activity 3A. Listen and complete Jenny's list of what she has to do this Sunday. How many people talk to her?
Good morning, Jenny.
Oh, good morning, Mom.
Listen, I'm leaving in 5 minutes and I won't be home until this evening. I need you to do something for me.
Sure.
First, I need you to make 2 sandwiches for your dad and Kusal.
Okay, Mom.
Next, I want you to do the cleaning around the house.
I can do that.
Thank you. Lastly, we have so many dirty clothes.
Okay, I'll do the laundry as well.
Great. See you later.
Jenny, can you make a small cake for me?
Yes, I can, but why do you need one?
I'd just like some.
Okay, I'll make it now, and you can have it tomorrow. Do you want me to make some coffee as well?
Oh, yes, please. Also, make a cup of tea too. I want to give it to Richard.
No problem. Kusal, what's wrong?
Mom told me to make a fire for her to grill some meat, but the football match is starting on TV.
Oh, you. Go ahead, I'll do it.
Really? Thank you, dear sister. By the way, Pisay called an hour ago. She said you need to make a plan for your trip to Kampot.
Okay, anything else?
I need some help with my homework, so...
Alright, I'll help you when you do your homework.
Thanks.
Unit 27, Part B, Activity 2A. Sokka is talking to Ksal about their chores. Listen and put their tasks in order.
Sokka, you look tired. What's wrong?
Hey, Kusal. I'm just so sick of my chores on Sunday. I don't want to do the housework.
Tell me about it. In the morning, I have to do the washing and ironing for everyone.
Same here. After making the bed, I also need to do the laundry, but guess what? I have to do the cooking in the afternoon too.
I'm luckier. I only need to do the shopping and my mom does the cooking for us. Oh, I always do the gardening, but I'm not complaining because it's fun.
You like doing that? I don't at all, so my brother does it. But apart from that, he does nothing. He's very lazy. Last week, he said he would make a cake for my birthday, but in the end, I was the one that made it.
Well, did he do the dishes at least?
Of course not. He's terrible.
You should sit down with him and make a clear decision and plan on what he needs to do. Maybe he just forgot.
Yeah, he's very forgetful. I'll do that next time.
Well, good luck. I need to make a phone call. Talk to you later.
Okay.